Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact environment. Radical Red patched ROM or modded game and a save backed up, because you will test mechanics. Once ready, get a Pokémon that will survive a one-hit KO or set up to intentionally drop to 1 HP. This triggers the focus Sash drop mechanic. Make sure to carry healing items, repels, and a false swipe user. This speeds encounters and preserves your target while you attempt the drop and capture. Now you perform the detailed sequence. Lead with false swipe or a reducing move and hit the target until it sits at 1 HP, because Radical Red often changes item drop mechanics. Once at 1 HP, bait a high damage move or use a wild move that would KO. The focus Sash mechanic will then cause the item to drop or be flagged. After the knockout, immediately pick up items from the field or check your battle rewards. Patience matters, so repeat if needed. Finish by picking up the focus Sash and equipping it to your chosen Pokémon. You want the Sash active before further risky battles. If the item fails to appear, reload your backup save and run the same sequence again, because timing and HP thresholds in Radical Red are strict. Also, make sure your patch and emulator are up to date. Updates or differing ROM versions change drop behavior, so verify community notes if you keep missing the Sash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.